ThermoFol heating mats. A modern way to have a warm floor throughout the house. They're economical, durable, and easy to install. How do heating mats work and what are they used for? The mat consists of an electric cable that converts electrical energy into heat. The heat rises up to the floor, warming the room. Mats can be installed as underfloor heating beneath ceramic tiles, stone, or porcelain stoneware. The biggest advantages of heating mats: energy savings, easy installation, safety of use, saves space, system reliability, lightweight. Cross-section of heating mat installation on a concrete floor. 1. Base screen. 2. Heating mat. 3. Flexible adhesive. 4. Ceramic tiles. Mats recommended with ThermoFol Thermotherm backing. Heating mats. A long-lasting solution. ThermoFol heating mats come with a 25-year warranty. They're perfect for bathrooms, for kitchens, for modern living rooms, and even garages. ThermoFol, the manufacturer of innovative heating systems.